believe this model with 2.4 million followers isn't real? But the interesting truth is that these people don't even exist. These models are created by artificial intelligence, and the person managing these accounts probably makes tens of thousands of dollars per post. In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI influencer in just 4 simple steps. Make sure you watch the video until the end. Before we get started, you should know that the purpose of this video is to show you how easy it is to create an AI influencer. But be warned, if you don't use these techniques correctly, you could end up in legal or ethical trouble. So be smart. Now let's dive into the steps to create an AI influencer. This is an amazing tool called RenderNet AI that I am sure you will love. The link to access this tool is in the video description, but believe me, this tool will make a huge difference in creating your Instagram influencers or AI. Why is RenderNet AI unique? Create unique AI characters. Design different poses and gestures for these characters. Turn your Instagram character into a brand ambassador. Let's say you want to create an Instagram influencer for your business, or maybe have a digital version of yourself as an AI clone. This tool is made for you. Reviewing the RenderNet AI dashboard. When you enter the dashboard, you will be presented with a number of options. In this video, I will focus on just one of the key features of this tool. This feature allows you to bring any AI character to life and easily create a video from it. If you have previously designed AI characters, you can select one of them. Your previous characters will be displayed in the software's asset library. RenderNet AI offers a unique way to create realistic characters and images. Let's take a closer look at how to create characters, use attractive features, and produce realistic images and videos. You can use the existing default characters, or design a completely new character by clicking on the Create New option. Gender, male or female. Appearance features such as hairstyle, hair color, and facial style. Choose a style and outfit. After setting the details, click Generate. In a few seconds, your desired character will be created. You can insert him into various images or videos. Use him as a digital ambassador for your brand. Create more realistic images and videos using the software's built-in capabilities. This feature adds a little detail to existing images to make them look even more natural. You can adjust the details, enhance images, and take their realism to a higher level. If you're happy with the pose of an image but want to put a different face in it, this is easily possible. Images can be upscaled to 8K resolution, which is great for printing in large sizes. Posters, for example. The tool allows you to create images in different styles. Cinematic, for movie-like scenes. Fashion, suitable for fashion and clothing images. Nature, for natural and outdoor images. Formal work, stylish and professional images for branding. Natural poses, in environments such as hotels or classic homes with great lighting. Gym workout, with sports poses and direct interaction with the camera. Interestingly, the previous problems of AI in creating hands, which were usually unnatural, have been completely solved in this tool. Produce high-quality images and videos. This tool allows you to produce professional and realistic content that can attract more attention. By creating digital influencers, you can highlight your brand on social networks like Instagram and TikTok. From choosing a persona to producing a video, all the steps are done simply and quickly. Now it's time for you to use your creativity. The link to access this tool is below the video. If you have any questions, ask in the comments section. Like the video and share it with others so that they can also get acquainted with this amazing tool. This tool allows you to adjust the aspect ratio to suit your project, for example, for social media, banners, or vertical and horizontal videos. You can also specify the number of images generated at a time, which can be very useful in saving time for large projects. Realistic touch images. This feature makes images look more realistic. This tool can reduce the perfection of the image a little and create more realism by adding small details such as natural skin imperfections or lighting. The original image was great, but the realistic touch took it to the next level. By applying this feature, his face looks more natural and closer to the real characters. If you have generated images that have small problems such as unnatural hands, you can reprompt the image, edit the hands or other details, or simply crop the image to fix the problem. This tool has great flexibility to fix bugs and improve quality. Videos made from images. RenderNet AI also allows you to produce short videos using the generated images. Upload one of the generated images. Video settings. Aspect ratio, vertical or horizontal. Video duration, 5, 10, or 15 seconds. By entering a simple description, you can specify the character's movements. After the process is complete, you will have a video with natural and realistic movements of the character Rose. These videos can be very useful for advertisements, social media content, or even larger projects such as brand advertising. Key benefits of using this tool. No more need to hire professional models or photographers. From creating still images to animated videos, everything is available in this tool. The realistic touch and detail correction options create images and videos that are difficult to distinguish from reality. This tool is suitable for designers, marketers, content creators, and even people interested in personal projects. One of the most impressive features of RenderNet AI is that you can create short videos with custom characters. These videos can be very useful for advertisements, social media content, or even creative video projects. You can upload your own music or choose from the tool's pre-made music. Just play the music you want to hear to evaluate its quality and style. By entering a simple description, you can specify the theme of the video. By clicking on the Generate option, the tool will start creating the music video. The production cost is calculated in credits, the details of which will be explained at the end. The final result is a 30-second music video that shows the character Rose walking through a magnificent environment. The RenderNet AI tool generates a high-quality video that synchronizes the face of your chosen character with lip movements and narrates your text in a natural voice. By combining multiple videos, you can easily create longer content, such as 2 to 3 minute videos with music and images. RenderNet AI is at the cutting edge of technology and offers features that were unimaginable just a few years ago. With this tool, you can create content that goes beyond current standards, from realistic images to music videos and character-driven videos. Now is the time to take your creativity to the next level. RenderNet AI is very affordable compared to its competitors, especially if you opt for the annual plan. The costs are as follows. Annual plan, $12 month, AI image. Count, 2,000 images per month with Flux and 2,000 images per month with SDXL. AI videos, 165 seconds of standard videos per month. Narrated videos, up to 8 minutes of videos with the same quality as the ones mentioned above. Extras, includes upscaling to 8K and other tools. If you don't use all your credits in a month, you can roll them over to the next month. This gives you more flexibility in managing your projects. If you're interested in creating creative content with the help of AI, give this tool a try. The sign-up link is below this video. With it, you can begin your journey into the world of AI characters. RenderNet AI is a huge step towards the future of content creation. With this tool, you can not only create unique characters and amazing videos, but also turn them into remarkable digital brands. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and comment and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.